Hi students, I hope everyone is healthy. Okay, last in earlier classes we have completed two units. Now we are going to start learn third unit, right? Okay, in this unit there is a poem. Poem name is Run. Before start the poem, let me ask you few things. Do you like running race? Yes, that is really good for your health too, right? When you go for running, you will get nice thrill experience, right? Our poem also tell us to run, okay? In this poem, the poet is telling us to go for running race along with your friends and out of the country, right? Now let's read the poem. Run away from the city and into the sun, out to the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little race with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the land, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country away, away. The poem is written by Mary Daunt. Now let me introduce few new words and their meanings. See, look at here. Our new words are raindrops, neath, breeze, hillside, meadow, and merry. Now I'll tell their meanings also. Raindrops, rainfall. Beneath, the meaning of beneath is under. Breeze, the meaning of breeze is air. Hillside, the meaning of hillside is top surface or hill. Meadow, the meaning of meadow is grassland. And merry, the meaning of merry is enjoyable. Now I am going to explain about the poem. In this first stanza, the poet is telling to the children to run away from the crowded city into the open countryside where they can see the clear sky and feel they can run into the sun. Do you like run away from the city when you are with your friends or your family? Of course, you will feel the happiness, right? Okay, we'll move for the second stanza. In this second stanza, also poetess asks the children when it's raining, asks them to go for running competition with blowing winds and enjoy the raindrops. See, as the children into the shadow of the tree, they'll become very happy, right? You tell me, children, if you get a chance to go for a running race when raining, how do you feel? You will also get very thrill experience, right? Yes. Now we will go for the third stanza. Okay, in this third stanza the poet asks the children to running down hillside, running up the lands through the grassland with field crowded with different kind of animals and then run back to their home. And such a running race will give a happy running is can give a happiness, energetic, that kind of running is feel achievement to the kids. Okay, now here the poet, now we are going for the last stanza. Run. This last stanza the poet is summarized that as the children to running all through the day by being happy, the children will be successful in life. And here lies true importance of an active lifestyle for all of us. Okay, but students, here the poet says that away from the city, but yeah, unfortunately we are not supposed to go anywhere from your home, right? We have to maintain the social system distancing also, so that you are not thinking that I had to go run. No, it will take much time. So be at your home, stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, here I have a worksheet for you. complete the worksheet and send it to the English 4th WhatsApp group NAPS, okay, between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. See you in the next class. Thank you.